everyone, I'm Debbie Wright and I'm Style Director here at Lug. And as many of you know, we bring you several bag options that give you 3 ways to carry them. We give you a crossbody strap, tote handles, and Hideaway backpack straps that convert our bags easily into a backpack. The backpack straps have their own hidden pocket, and when you want to make it a backpack, you simply just clip the straps onto the special rings and it becomes a backpack. When you want to tuck the straps away, they tuck away very easily. So you just want to hold it by the buckle, fold them once in half, and simply tuck them into their hideaway pocket. It's really easy to do, and they hide away quickly and easily so you can convert the bag and change it up from day to day. And that's how easy it is to tuck away your hideaway backpack straps.